ya chini kuna to me say Awurade won sanchire ne na tumi ye biribia eya wo dia wo ka na bemu dia wo hye na china Awurade me ma hopes na adwuma wa ye nye kwa Awurade me nku na nimu ase e ma na tamfo nya no. And God stepped in. And some people almost in the gap. Honorable Alanchamatene ne yiri chinamu lawyers akasia adechi nya homachi no mo frem so mo beji mi kunu atare. Let me tell you something. And the Lord spoke to me. Go and look for white dress for your husband. I me call far white. Up and down, you know, Miss Mudia Mopada, ye mi kunu no munsha ataya mi kunu she. And na me de atare ne beto picture you so. Na me start to say me bo watch me. Na me say Awurade. Mama sanhwe mi kunu wate. Menim gwase ni nyanhira ma no Awurade engu ne nimu ase. Mengu hopes ni nimu ase. One friend is so beku ne nimu ase. Hey, watch me. Watch me. Monsha die nyame beye me. All menim gwase en come me do. Those who laugh at Hobson, are you still laughing? Those who insulted him, are you still insulting him? Those who called him hopeless, are you still gonna call him hopeless? Those who said say he's good on your ubia. Hobson on your bia. Say Hobson ya beba kopa ne chow. Ena ye bebi ni dia enye kaye lusu. Hey! Power ewo yanum so Hobson ya bakwa fa dia and then we kunu catch them and say baby relax, God will do his own thing. Ono no ye etu esi hene nyankopo oto hene si hene not the full frashing what about some gospel musician sister bra e come de wa kwa e pa cho me ku ye politician wo shana de ameka ono mpa fria na kodi pakro na ono obema we no dia wo hwehwe no aha de ene me ya politics me ku ya politician won ti ase the whole gospel musician me pe na me ku ya politician. It's me, I am the madam. You me page no so na me come myself. Unim the amafem. Do you know what I have been through? I can we be just as some gospel musician. I am not your regular gospel musician. You did not call me. God called me. Nyame wan frame ya mawo. It is a usha will learn in a minima. Free na me come myself. Let me talk to people who are ready to listen. Shit. I was here for Franco. Osaya, I am talking to your mind. Yes. Usha no pa. Call me and kasa. Me kasa chere nkrofo. Do you know what this man has gone through? For just social media. Kono ko shake Google. Ye bo hopes na do ye dia. Oh yes, everybody nyina man nkrofo. And they were ungrateful to him. Do you know what he has gone through? Papa we are wen kunu ho no. Now your boss said, Papa we are wen kunu ho no. Nyame will be papa man. Leave this man and leave my family alone. You don't know what we've been through. Leave us alone. Hey, baby. Mwah. Baby, your wife, I love you. Mwah. You are my baby. Oh, Jesus, you don't know. Today, I make social media. No, be say, maybe you be for me a bad luck. Hey, ya can't was watching a bad matchira. Me unya me seso da. Ye ka wo ba. What time you kunechi no matter what. Say bi wo ho say bi ni ho. What time you kunechi unya me seso da. I am a fighter. I am a woman of substance. And this man here has been my strength. My husband here has been my strength. Why am me pillar? Why am I? Hey! I told the Binami said, "Dem na mi suwa." Now about some mama, ebe ye what? Mama, ebe ye. Mama, what ye ebe ye? What ye weni? I shall no bits or no dimi kunatem. Oba mi kun nen dada. Mi kun nen dada. Ni a shed mane dimi kunu. Ni dia shapa pay. Me yo ba mi yanya safuo. Me yo ba. Me tsi ni amase na me tsi nipa mra o yasia kam yen so sa wale we kwa kam te ho. But this man here This man here, I get of here. Mushiana monana semame. He has been everything that a woman needs and has suffered. This man has gone through humiliation. This man, we are careful be a bra. This man, he has suffered. But I know baby, I was sorry, I'm not sending him crying. I was sending him crying, I was sorry, no one. Why do I say, Mama? Me, Mama, be Buddha. Me say I support you. Every woman needs a supportive husband. Every man needs a supportive wife. Me na me catch up. Hey, Yadwa. Hey. What bread? Baby. What bread? I suffer a solitude a mikun. I suffer a fan crofo. So I'm money time mikun. Things that this man has gone through, you guys will cry for him. Hobson, you made a check Ghana. Hobson, you'll be to me, Shanu was sick, Papa. Only when young four way say, no, be a son, so you was here. Hey, Obi to me, Shanu, hopeless. You call this man hopeless? You hopeless or the aye, Jumano, or the aye, Jumano, why a Jumano, or Shamobo. Where deliver, or Shamoba, where deliver, or Shamoba, or deliver, or Shamoba, hey, where deliver, where deliver DHL. Hey, hey, Ochai, you are the mommy, I mean, that papa will ask you. God bless you. Hoping Yavia Doye, Yami won shra. Yami shra, ya would do sape kepia. Minyango po when you can see. I gave you a washing years, CP, I gave you a free one, sir. A year will femu, a mania will femu, a titia will femu. A mania, I was saying, me couldn't too free, me couldn't tiffy. Because he has a channel. And conform monetano. Or a ghananews. And this man has fought. Wako. God bless you. God bless you for listening to me. Thank you for listening to me. Nyankupo Israel. Agaga Nyankupo Israel. I say, what more can say me bad luck? And then. Ombekasa Empress yeshina. Omo mukasa me buy ya do adwuma free wonsam. Me buy ya wa bre. Me buy wudu se so bibia mu na asai. Me pa cho na last way wudu se so mu asai. Hey! Nyamishra wati. Aibe achi abi boy. Nyamishra, my prophet, my hero, my joy. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. You have suffered. You have suffered. And it's time for God to compensate you. You have suffered. What bread? What bread? But God will never disgrace you. Nyame obeshawatarifita. Nyame be sawe ni nyame. Ade a wo hwe nyina abo years nyame be sa dia maw. Onse nyame be shraw. Eh? We should have be fe. Wo so dia wudi nti wo cha ade akra wo nwe ho. Adoye. Adoye ye me adoye. Adoye me ko ekita ne last crowd be che. Kase hit. Me ku sekita na. Or the be cha wa bonti. Throw hit, man. I didn't agree. Throw hits. Hey, 1.4. Throw hits. My baby, I bet of it. We see me, yes, me loud. Aye, or boy, you're loud, young one. But I know boy, you're loud, no, which you know what she. What bow, you're loud, no, which you know what she. Hey, maybe we have a story to say. Yee. Ya wasamka, maybe ya wasamka, ya wasamka. Ya wasamka, ya wasamka. Mina kupo ishira. Ya misra wati. Wabre. Hey! Wabre, you have suffered. And God will compensate you. Yeah! Me excellency bako. Yeah! Hey! Jesus! We say. Because of our selfish interest. And also because of ube yenu when you break and kind some fine wo munity. And nothing aware. God damn it. And now they buy me the best. I what do I am the best? Because of our selfish interest. 7 years. What is the selfishness in this? There is power in the name of God. Because of selfish interest. Selfish interest. You've enjoyed selfish interest for 7 years. Do you know what this man has gone through? Because of selfish interest in it. Hey, free me. Free me, page in the circle. Hansen. I should show. I didn't show. Mary, let me answer them. I have harbored this in me for 7 years. Let me answer them. They will take it one by one. And then remember what. Someone na mo ba, munim na mo endi mu name. Ant na mo pages wo. Na mo trespassing. And by my mother side, how do you say? Send the message say to mama. Thank you. Me your homewood. That is, you don't like me, don't come to my page. Embaha Hobson. Me and Mrs. Hobson Azor. Mrs. Azor. Father Dixie. Father Dixie. Yeah. I won't mind them, Mary. I won't mind them. I'm going to TikTok. I won't mind them. I won't mind them. What's the way? On your Pia. By your Pia Mobi. What's up, Maggie? Gifty, come to TikTok. My favorite. I heard that. Make what TikTok why? Madam Asim.